नमस्ते, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मेरा नाम निधि है and this is my first video on YouTube, and in this video I will show you my presentation on genetic engineering. So giving a presentation terrifies most of us. There are many ways to make good presentations also, and the real funda is the more presentation you do, the easier they will become. So presentation बनाते जाएं and मेरे videos देखते जाएं. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. And let's get started.
So the topic of this video is genetic engineering. So what is genetic engineering? Artificially copying a piece of DNA from one organism and joining this copy of DNA into the DNA of another organism. It allows genes from one organism to be inserted into a cell of a different organism of a different species. Examples: human genes can be inserted into a bacterium, human genes can be inserted into cells from other animals, bacterium genes can be inserted into a plant cell. So genetic engineering means that DNA from different organisms can be combined. Bacteria can be engineered to produce human proteins. So, like the bacteria, if we take the genes of one bacteria, we cannot insert the bacteria directly into the human being or the animals. Firstly, we will have to engineer them or to produce certain genes or certain proteins so that we can insert them directly to the human being and it will not harm them, and human gene can be inserted into other animals also. So the prospects of genetic engineering are putting genetic information from one type of plant or animal into another, and the cloning is also technique of genetic engineering. It is the making of genetic copies of an existing plant. So now the question is, what is transgenic organism? An organism is called transgenic if it has genetic information added to it from a different type of organism. Let's take an example, cauliflower. As we know that cauliflower are there in the market, this is not the season for this cauliflower, but then also we are getting it. That is genetically modified organism. We will have to insert some genes in that cauliflower so that it will grow in off seasons also, and that cauliflower is genetically modified organism. So that is called transgenic organism. Techniques of genetic engineering are selective breeding, recombinant DNA, PCR, gel electrophoresis, and transgenic organism. Selective breeding: breed only those plants or animals with desirable traits. People have been using selective breeding for so many years with farm crops and domesticated animals. Next is recombinant DNA. The ability to combine the DNA of one organism with the DNA of another organism. Recombinant DNA technology was first used in the 1970s with bacteria. There is a diagram of plasmid and DNA. So there is a plasmid and there is an enzyme. Enzyme means in the plasmid there is an recognition site. We will have to insert foreign DNA in here. In the recognition site, there should be a sticky ends. Here only we will have to insert the foreign DNA in the plasmid, and now that is called recombinant plasmid. So you can see the image, recombinant plasmid and foreign DNA is now attached together. Now, summary of steps. We have plasmid and donor DNA. We cut this with restriction enzyme, and this is also called molecular scissor because it cuts the plasmid. After cutting off the plasmid, we will have to insert the donor DNA to the sticky ends of plasmid. Now, we combine the cut piece of DNA together with an enzyme, that is pi ligase enzyme, and insert them into the bacteria. Then foreign genes will be expressed in the bacteria. Next is how to create a transgenic animal. So you can see the diagram. There is a human being and a cow. So firstly we will have to take DNA from the human being, and then we will have to take DNA from cow. Then we have to mix those DNA together with some techniques. and then insert that DNA to that desired trait, and that trait will call transgenic animal. Genetically modified organisms are called transgenic organism. Transgenic animals are mice, chickens, cows, and goats. So the next technique is PCR, polymerase chain reaction. Polymerase chain reaction allows scientists to make many copies of a piece of DNA. Next is gel electrophoresis. It is a technique used to separate DNA fragments according to their size. Application of genetic engineering, and this is the references. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.